sinking your spoon into a layer of velvety mascarpone, rich espresso-soaked biscuit, and a dusting of coca. That take you straight to the heart of Italy. Welcome to Culinary Museum by Chef Mohamed Abdell. Today we are unlocking the secret how to make it the perfect tiramisu. Mascarpone cheese, mix, add to the Savoiardi and the ricotta, gently fold it, don't use whisk, just use spoon and gently fold it, from outside to inside, airy and fluffy side. We start first with the tiramisu mix here. Chocolate dome. Now time for espresso. So here we explain we're having the tiramisu inside and then covered with the chocolate and espresso on top. Wait, I realized something. There is one missing tiny ingredient in this recipe. Can you guess what it is? Please write down in the comment below. See you in the next episode. Chef Mohamed Abdell.